Alright, welcome to today's video, boys. My name is Marcus Hustle. If you're new here, I run an OnlyFans management agency. It's a brand new business model that not a lot of people are talking about. It's kind of like SMMA, but instead of working with other B2B companies, you're working with OnlyFans models, and you help them scale their OnlyFans earnings, making a lot of money, and you take a percentage of that. Now, all of that being said, there are mainly two ways on how you can actually grow an OnlyFans account and actually make a lot of money with it, right? So this video, I'm going to explain two main ways on how you're able to scale an OnlyFans account, how to make more money with it, and eventually, obviously yourself, how you can take more money, more profit, achieve your wildest dreams. So pay attention to this video. There are two main ways. I'm going to explain exactly the difference between the two ways, how you can actually increase money in each different way, and which one should you choose right now in 2023. Without further ado, please leave a like on the video. If this video gets 300 likes, I'll make another video in a bit more detail, giving you guys a little secret way that we've recently discovered on how you can actually make an extra $500 per week. I'm going to explain that in another video if this video gets 300 likes. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and let's jump straight into it. So again, to give you guys a bit of context, we have multiple models making over $100,000 a month right now, and we have models doing both of these different strategies. So you're probably wondering, what are they, right? So the first one is a free account. So this is where a model will have a free OnlyFans account. You're able to click onto her link and subscribe to her OF and see her content and chat to her for free. Well, there's different ways of doing it, which we're going to discuss right now. So this is the first way, right? So a free OnlyFans account. So let's go into it. Why does it work? How does it work? Why should you do it? And who should do it? Okay. So first of all, how does it work? So exactly like I just said, there is no subscription fee. You can click on the account and you can subscribe to this OnlyFans account for free, and you can enter her page, right? So within that, there are loads of different ways of then how you're able to monetize it, because at the end of the day, you're not probably running a charity, you're trying to make money here, okay? So the first way how you're able to make money with it is on the actual wall itself. You can post pictures. For example, if you're a model watching this and you want to buy a new outfit or a toy that you want to use in a video, you post that on the wall. And let's just say it's $200. Everybody who's subscribed and wants to be a fan, they will then tip in order to actually accumulate $200 for you to buy that outfit, etc. That's one way. Another way, which is the main way, is you can actually go ahead and make people tip in order to then be able to message you, right? So instead of them subscribing for free and then being able to message you straight away, they'll actually have to tip and send you money up front, and only then they're able to talk to you, right? That's another way. There is a couple more other ways that we actually teach in our online program. If you're interested, there's a link down below as well for that. You can book a call with us. We teach you everything in so much detail. But this is just a free YouTube video because I get a lot of questions about this, so I wanted to explain it. This is one way. So free account, that's how it works. Who should do it? Anybody can do it, of course. We've tried it with models who are just starting out and they maybe have around 10,000 followers on Instagram. We also have tried it with big influencers who have 1 million+ followers online. Everybody can do it. There is a lot of pros and cons. The main ones being is the pros is you're gonna have high volume, okay? So because it's free, everybody can subscribe and sign up and become a fan, right? The con, however, which is because there is a high volume, you're gonna get a lot of people who are there to just waste your time, who don't necessarily have money to invest, who aren't ready to buy the content and actually tip your model. They're just there to sign up for free, see what they can get for free, right? So you're gonna get a lot of time wasters, but at the same time, because you have such a high volume of fans, at some point, eventually you're gonna be able to milk $5, $10, $15, $20 from them. And at scale, that starts to add up to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month. So if you're gonna use this strategy with a free subscription, what I recommend you doing is go crazy at scale. So you can do it with a lot of bots, a lot of shout outs, just go crazy on social media. But if you are going to do it, you need to make sure you have chatters in place in order to start messaging them straight away. Because if somebody subscribes on a free account, you need to get them to tip and pay for content straight away. Because if you leave it for a day or two, or anything longer than 2 days, they're gone. They're not gonna probably come back to OF, especially your account. They don't really give a fuck. So as soon as they sub, you need to get them to pay right there. So that's the first one, free account. The second way is, of course, the opposite, which is a paid subscription. So this is where an OnlyFans model will get somebody to pay in order to even enter her account, right? So for somebody who's completely brand new to OnlyFans management, imagine it this way. Imagine you go into somebody's Instagram account who you don't follow, a random person, and they have a private account, right? So that you can see their profile picture and everything, but you can't see the content, you can't even message them, right? It's a private account. In order to then unlock it, you have to pay a monthly subscription, a monthly billing to this person. And then you're able to chat to them, etc., see their content and so on. So with this option, there's quite a large spectrum. You can charge anywhere from $5 all the way up to 20, 25, however much you want per month, okay? The point with this is, obviously, you're gonna get a lot less people because they have to pay up front in order to even see your content, let alone speak to you. That being said, it's kind of acts as a filter, right? So if somebody's going to pay you $20 per month just to be able to see your content and talk to you, you can imagine the type of person who's going to do that. They probably are going to spend more money in the tips, in the messages, and the content. They probably have a bit more money to spend, and they're a bit more serious as well on the platform, ready to speak to yourself or your model, right? Depending on who you're watching this. So that's the second way. So it's a paid subscription. My recommendations is, like I said, anywhere from $5 to $25 per month on a subscription. It really depends based on the model, right? So if you're watching this and you're an agency and you're managing some girls who have a big following online, or you are a model yourself watching this and you have a large following online, the thing is, if you have a large following, you can get away with a high subscription fee. One of our models, her subscription fee is $20. $20 per month. That's just to even subscribe and then be able to see her content and talk to her, right? Now, we also have some models who are charging only $5, $4.99, okay? You can also have sales, so you can have the next 25 people get 90% off or 50% off. You can play on it, etc., etc. But the point being is, if you have a lot of followers and you have a large audience already online, on Instagram, TikTok, etc., then you're able to get away with a higher subscription fee because you're able to filter through all of the shit leads and all the followers on your Instagram and Twitter, TikTok, etc. And yes, you're gonna have less subscribers, but the people that do subscribe, they're subscribing at $20, and if you just have 1,000, 2,000 people subscribing at $20 per person, you can imagine, easy money. And then from there on, obviously you guys make a lot of cash in the actual DMs. That's where majority of the money comes from. You can do live streams, you can do Zoom calls, Skype calls, not Zoom calls, and so on and so on, right? So there's loads of other ways of making money outside of OF, but this video, I just wanted to cover the main two ways. Guys, this video is just a quick, short little video to explain the two different ways. Within that, there are so many more things that you need to know. You need to understand, how do you actually start the business properly? How do you get your first model? How do you scale her? How do you bring that traffic to the OnlyFans in order for you to even just think about, okay, is it a free account or a paid account? And then once you're making a lot of money, you're making $10,000, $20,000 a month. How do you reinvest it? How do you make $100,000 a month? How do you make $250,000 a month? So if you want all of these answers, your time to act is right now. There'll be a link down below in the description. Go ahead and join. You can jump on a call. I'll be somewhere around here on my laptop talking to you, or somebody from my team. Ask me any question, and if you're ready and you're serious to invest and serious to finally change your life for the better, you can sign up right now. Mission remains. See you on the next one.